Greetings to all my viewers, those who is viewing me Instagram, view me YouTube, view me TikTok, view me Instagram, everywhere you are viewing me. Babatunde, I'm here to show everybody live how we are doing it spiritually. If you are in abroad, if you are in UK, you are in Italy, USA, Canada, everywhere you are in the world, you can contact Babatunde on the following number you see on the screen. Your problem shall be solved. When you are coming to me, make sure to explain yourself well for me. Don't give me wrong details. If you give me wrong details, you surely get your problem solved wrong. Give me your correct details and see how is reality in life. I'm here to show everybody how it's powerfully, how we are doing spiritual money. If you want to get your papers from abroad, or you are so many years you married, you don't give birth, you can come to Babatunde. Babatunde is somebody who is going to use assistance and everybody and support everybody to get your support. Everywhere you are in the world, come to Babatunde and see how it's powerfully. So I don't want to talk too much. Too much talk is a liar. And action speak is louder than words. I'm here to show people to see how is reality in life and see how is spiritually. When they say spiritually, it's different. We have physically and naturally. I'm here to do physically. So I want everybody who is watching this program to know the really between spiritually. I'm the only young man in Africa, and you can meet and you will never regret. I'm here to show people, especially those who are far place or those who are abroad and they hear Ghana, they have spiritualists. There are a lot of spiritualists in Ghana, but I'm here to show people to know that spiritually are different. You can't compare me to anybody. Don't compare me to anybody. I'm Babatunde. I live in Yendi town. I live in Yendi town, and I'm here to show, to prove that Yendi, there are spiritualists, good spiritualists in Yendi. I'm Babatunde. I'm here to show everybody how it's powerfully. So I want everybody to make concentration on me and see what I will do, and people to see the really between me and all the spiritualists in Ghana. So as I'm saying, if I say I will help you, it's not only one problem I can help. I can help you to get your papers. If you are not giving birth, I can help you to give birth. If you need to marry your old lady, what you want, I'm the one. I can help you to get your lover who can love you forever. And if you want to get rich, there are so many ways to get rich. And it's depend on how you explain yourself to me. I'm helping people a lot of problems. If you need lotto number, if you sick for so many years, no treatment. If you want to get your papers to travel, as I said, come to Babatunde. Babatunde is the only person who is young man, can say truthfully, and you follow me to get what you want. If you come to me, you will never regret. I'm helping people a lot. I help people for so many countries. UK, United States, everywhere you are in the world, come to Babatunde. Babatunde is here for you. And I'm here to show opportunity for people, those who is watching this program, or those who is watching me on tele. You can contact me on the following number: 054 166 0759. 054 166 0759. I don't want to talk too much. I want to use my action to let people see. Don't show people your plan, show them your results. So I want to show people my results, and they all know the differences between white and black. That's why I'm here. So everybody who is in everywhere you are, and you have been traveling for a lot of spiritualists, don't compare me. As you can see, I'm in my God's. There are so many people here say they are helping people. There is no true. Some of them don't have God's. Some of them don't know how to help somebody. You don't know how to help somebody and he get well. Somebody sick or they give somebody bad food. You can contact me. I'm the person who can heal you. So I'm here to pour libation for the gods and show them whatever I'm doing. When you are facing enemies or you are doing your business and the business is not moving, I want you to bring yourself to when you are facing enemies, come to me. I'll pour libation for everything. I'll pour libation for everything and your enemies all remain here. I want everybody to keep on watching here and see what I will do. I'm here to pour my libations and go back and do my action for everybody to know who is Baba Tunde. I'm the great only young man in Africa, and you can reach me and get your destiny. I'm here to show people who I am. Dende kalamba zona tamo bonka chenye ngachichi azin chinchin do government zona tamo bonka chen konsumo no pa no balandira abel wala polo wala ndirgun za zona tamo bonka chenye kamno fa kan dimbo tar ku bago ko na ba furtanga to dagbamba idagbam bi nyama ngila dagbamba na dadammi na la nan ma ngzware na do te panti zo ko pata la yama zware ngang nyama tin kan ku to dule dunia yangazo nyala bia young man nyama bi palle nyama mi bohme en solome de palam mchama ti paso ko tama lan sala lan ya nama ale tengba ma ba no tengba kura nyaba ka zuli kan zan nan tuntuma en zan lan mamma na pa shale nan tuntuma mun kam lere video mo am bangni en pala bo ama de pala mchama ti nyaba shale polo en zambana nan tafani ba farso akanan sane ka explain da mama be ka zanga problem na ka problem ma nyi ne to so na shenen yele la yama ne so na mi ko to so na nchem ka kule mbo bora be shao ka fun ka tan kanan sane da zirsima yelman chala Baba Tunde sane no to so ma Baba Tunde powers no to so ma mbele na tan kwanne ne tan kwanne kambe ka so da pa no do bi nya ni kurugu nya I my problem nyela munye so ma mbo yu dunya bi agu pune ama mi dunya ren chena mamma kunya la fara lana kana ta liyabe da ara lana to ama ambo no so kam tin da fani zo da su ngo zo kan shin fu an zo nin zan mangu zamatu ko kan lawum da jabo agu kumse na mi yin yetim anyele kan yara yetim ka zu mi yetim mbo fuere me ngia nam zan nyanga kayama na ku ti ma vida an shelkam to dadam bi yarpam nya zala pi kana mun to non shel ka so kamnya no ku to non shel ka so kamnya nyar ma yabita bandir bi an yara mun to teba ajia abu doara kanya paa kami sa paa ka bu doara kamna Baba Tunde sana nuni ako ada da gule ka da gulma bi chantu ni kamna Baba Tunde sane ben jele ka bi jele kar pala poarelem ben jele kar mala yela ami mala problem shele kar nye dans le problème kar nye la amama aba mirin yi shel polina kamna anyele mba jila ki nan be shara ko to nan jila ki nan dun to nan to nun zalerma nan ban payama abela abroad ato bolma plus 233 54166075 only that number I have. And when you search me on Facebook, you will get me. And before you are going to verify that it is me, you must to get the number 054166075 before you can now get me. Only that number I have. I have no number. Plus 233 540759. You understand? That's the number. So I want to show myself for people to understand who I am. and understand that Babatunde is not talking too much. I only here to do, not to talk too much. Too much talker is a liar. So I want to show people who I am.
You got one of them for them, Bola. Oh.
Mas uma vez quando eu fui o Lendo de Lusa, nhere. Boa tão bata mal. Não dá para dar para. Não foi dar para. Eu não aqui. Eu vou ir a mal. Eu não sei não ir a mal. Não sei se não manda bajere. Ia jirin mawo. Da dam kam ne na onu tubu sham na onu tubu ma ma. Na o mi ya ne tu so mutaba. Ko so sonte. So on shin la fi ne so mutaba. Da dam kam on fi serfara. Na nga fara pa Babatunde na anyela munye ti fara tan kam ka ebe anyela munye jinda fani lolu kam ka ebe anyela munye jinda fani nda shile yan wuya na nunu to tum mata karan nyun ler mamu ka zom nya zanga ni na kwana kan yi tuma ne chensha mbona so kam za lo ni mpaki zanga ni kwana pi kanya Babatunde ni nombe shawo Babatunde pa zom yimi bin za bepi mun kam lere tv mu apa zom wala man namba ma zo deno bon wala dadam bi kam mun lere te ka zama ni no na te ka ke na nyale zama ni no na te kanya zama ni no na te le ya man wo fune da bamba to bonde lang mane kasimi se ki bonde le calabash deno bon man ma bono mbana so kam le me nya tuma mane en chansha fam man war chanda ya tar chanda ko sa dam ka ton dama ti don wala vela en kalamba zomna to mo bon ka chenje chako zomno pa no no balende zomna to mo bon ka chenje to zama tu maso kam nya man ma balama yira chako zomno pa no no balende alazam pelle zomna to mo bon ka chenje kam non fo alman ba zandara tan ko bawo ko na ba furtuma agbula tibia o chako zomno pa no no balende chako zomno pa no no balende zomna to mo bon ka chenje kam non fo kan dimbo chako zomno pa no no balende. Everybody make sure to watch here. Everybody watch here. That is how we are commanding money. That is how we are commanding money here. When you are in Europe, you are in United States, contact Babatunde on the following number. You shall receive what you want. I'm here to share opportunity for those who are suffering everywhere you are in the world. Come to me, you will surely succeed. I'm not here to show people this and you come and you didn't succeed. When you come, you will succeed by the grace of Almighty. I'm here to show a lot of people that there is really in life. When you don't meet me, you won't know how it's really. Meet me personally and know how it's really. Those who is in Ghana, you can come to me. Contact Babatunde on the following number. +233 5416600759. And I want to tell you, this is not all. I want to show a lot of people to know. This one is nothing. This one is nothing. I want to show a lot of people to know that there is powerful man in northern region. And we are calling Babatunde. I'm here to show a lot of people. I'm not going to sit. I'm going to show a lot of people how he's powerful. I want everybody to watch here. This is pot. I want to show everybody to see. That is how we are commanding money. What do you see inside? Everybody watch. Me, I don't want to do something like harmless. Watch here and see how it's powerful. What about Chanda? Yetale Chanda so Sadam Katanda Mati don't want to be in the Kalamba. Yande, Chankosom no no Balendira. Abel will follow the Zonat Mobile cutting your come no farm. Tarko Bona Bavota. Agbula Tibia, Zonat Mobile cutting your come no farm. Ayira, Tibia. One more Chanda Yetale Chanda Sadam Katanda Mati wouldn't want to be in the Kalamba. Tibia, Chankosom no Pano. Chankosom no Pano Bandira. Abela, Germany, Biela UK, Biela Europe, Biela United States. Zauna Mama Chanda, Hetal Chanda, Saddam Katam down. You don't want to get the Kalamba. That's enough. Zauna, I put down a second. I mean, Zauna, Mama Chanda, Hetal Chanda, this is euros. I want everybody to watch. That's euros. That's euros. When you are in Italy, that's euros. That's euros. I want everybody to keep on watching here. One more chanda, Hetal Chanda, Saddam Katam down. You don't want to get the Kalamba. So let's go continue. Chonko Zoom of unknown Valentira. Ghana Cedis. I want everybody to watch. That's Ghana Cedis. That's Ghana City. Come to me. You will never regret. Babatunde is here to show everybody that spiritually is my own. Inheritance is from my late fathers. I want everybody to watch. These pounds. When you are in UK, these pounds, come to me. Come to me, you will never regret. That's pounds, come to me. I'll surely show you how it's reality. That's pounds. That's pounds, come to me. Babatunde is the great person that you are expecting. I'm here for you people. Those who is in abroad and those who is in Ghana. Come to me. These United States dollars. These United States dollars. These United States dollars. So I want to show people to know that Babatunde is a real person that you are searching for. I'm here to show a lot of people to know that this is money. And I want everybody to watch here and know that money is nothing for Babatunde. Come to me, you will surely see what you want from me. You are facing financially. You are facing for any problem in the world. Come to Babatunde. My ancestors will never shame us. Come to me, you will surely succeed what you want from me. And I'm here to show a lot of opportunity for people. When you see anybody in Facebook, Babatunde, people say Babatunde is in Nigeria. I'm not in Nigeria. I'm in Ghana. I'm in Ghana. Come Ghana and meet Babatunde. You will surely get what you want. I promise you that you will never regret. When you come to me, you will never regret. Come to me and find what you want from me. Come to me and find what you want from me. Here's my boss. And I myself. To call me video call. When you call the video call and it is not me, then this is not Babatunde. Call me video call physically and see me personally before you can now act. Come to Babatunde and surely succeed. I'll never let you down. And I'll never let you repeat what you have faced before. This is what I have to show to people. And the God is here to tell you that when you're facing any problem, when you're facing enemies fighting you in your life, come to here. I will give it to the Father of the gods, and the gods handle it for themselves. I promise you, when you come to me, you will surely see how it's reality. Babatunde is an international person in the world, but people don't know. People think that we are the same. Have you ever seen any Ghana spiritual man and he command money like this? If you see, don't call me. And if you have never seen, call me to benefit. I don't need anything from you. Come from me and I'll show you how it's powerful. And show you where I come from. I come from spiritual family. So I will never do something that will let somebody regret. I'm here to show you how it's powerful and show you how it's reality in life. Yes, I'm the one, Babatunde Powers, number one. Babatunde Powers, number one. My number is 054-166-0759. When you are outside, +233-54166-0759. That's my number. 054-166-0759. When you are in abroad, add my country code +233-54166-0759. When you come to me, I promise you that you will make your family proud. You go and people will hear your good news, and it is not that you kill someone in your life. Babatunde, God give me this opportunity to share to others, those who are poor. So I'm showing this opportunity for you people to know, if you are poor and you need money, come to me. I'll turn you to rich person. And people think that you lose human being. Not any human being sacrifice. I'm not using any human being sacrifice. And I'm not killing anybody to make money. I'm only using animals to make money. Don't be afraid of anything. Come to me. If you are in UK, come to me. And if you are in Italy, come to me. If you are in Liberia, Australia, everywhere you are in the world, you are a white man or you are a black man, don't be afraid. Come to me. You are a man or you are a lady, come to me. I'm not a bad person. Come to me and meet your destiny. Your destiny is here. And Babatunde is going to show people to know that there are a lot of spiritual people in life. But I'm the only one who can show you reality. Who can show you reality. There is no way. You won't get anybody who can show you reality like me. Come to me and surely succeed. I promise you that you will never regret. And there is no day you are going to regret. Call my number. +233 54166 0759. 054 166 0759. 054 166 0759. Call me or WhatsApp me. That number is my WhatsApp. That number is my caller number. Only that number is my number. I don't have any number. 054 166 0759. That's my number. Contact me for a solution. Contact me to get your life. Contact me and your life come better and build your foundation good for yourself. People think that when you come here, you are going to kill somebody to get money. Not like that. I'm not killing people here. Come to me, bring yourself here. Call me and you talk. And you take in the car. Come directly to me. If you come directly to me, I promise you, by the grace of Almighty, if you get back to your town, people will hear your good news. People will hear your good news, and it is not that you kill someone in your life. God gave me this opportunity, so I'm going to share to everybody who is interested. And if you know you are not interested, don't call me. If you know you don't need my help, don't call me. Because when you call me and explain your problem for me, and it is not that you are seriously, something wrong will happen. So if you know you are not seriously, don't call on my number. +233 54 166 0759. That's my number. Call me for your own solution. Call me to bless. Call me to reach your destiny. Call me and see how it's reality in life. I don't want to talk too much. I don't want to talk too much. I don't want to talk too much. I'm here to celebrate to the gods, and the gods also know that yes, what we did is surely done successful. This is not only one person I help. As you can see, people, a lot of people here, and I helped them before. Not you are the one who is preparing to come ahead. I help a lot of people. I help people in many countries. I help people in many countries. So don't be afraid to come to me to get your success. Come to me. I promise you, you will never regret. Babatunde Powers, I promise you, you will never regret. Come to me. Ngai chanda eta chanda uta dan ka tonta wati lungo le vela dendi kalaba zonat damo bon ka cheno zonat damo bon ka cheno chanko so no pa no no balendira agbula tibia o tarko bawo ko na ba furtanga tarite bawo ko na ba furtanga dan akana cha bukata mande male tarko bawo ko na ba furtanga tarite bawo ko na ba furtanga dum akana chi abukata ko male ami bo na bukata malaka na nyimbu su yinga go su yin mane de kana ka sesirma akana ka sesirma akana ku nya bo chele agara kumbungu bolga ya polo ka be Saudi Arabia lolo kam ka be tunde ya go nyinde nye forubu kana bo dona gbalne kami nye baba tunde video kanye ngumbu nye bukata kurle kabone agbasote be ka ataba. You call them number share them paying +233 54 166 0759. I'm in Ghana. People think I'm in Nigeria. I'm not in Nigeria. Babatunde is not in Nigeria. I'm in Ghana. I'm in Ghana. So everybody make sure to watch here and see what I did. If you know you need my help, take my number right now and call me. You will surely get me and explain your problem for me. When your business is going down, call me, explain your problem for me. I'll surely make sure to make it possible for you. I'm ready for everybody who contacts me for help. I'm ready for everybody. I'm ready for everybody. Stand the lucky, catch up, Sarah. Mbanama, Manama, Mtuzobe, Mjenama. Come your program. karnyala amala problem zan kwaran polo dinga manzin chile diyan na puncham kabanya a can swale kana ba pake ababushi abiyan na ruguma ba mi do ala ta zaha bon ba ke a danza jagu balla nune kamna ntinye adar ziji kulin tili adan ka dan num bon fa dan tinye kamna baba tunde sana na ban pa ma volmana kamina di fila na on ka fa anya la ngunya ndele aso yo